Welcome back to Cheer. So in today's video, we are actually going to do a unboxing of a Mankind lunchbox.
And I am gonna be opening all of these
Disneys. But before we do that, if you're wondering why we are dressed spooky, is because yes, it is like the second day of October, but we also just filmed a Halloween entrance. So here it is. Okay, so that was the Halloween entrance. So now let's go ahead and start opening. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Mankind first. So this one is a limited edition, and we got this one from GameStop. There we go. So let's go ahead and open it. Also, if you don't know where Mankind is from, he is from WWE. Okay, so this is what this looks like. And I believe there is a Funko Pop in here. So let's go ahead, open it. Alrighty. So, I took this out first. Okay, so there is a lanyard. So let's go ahead and open this lanyard. Okay, so this is what the lanyard looks like. And it is a Funko Pop lanyard. Which is really also funny is that I've noticed a lot of Funko Pops, or Funko Pop, or Funko, there we go. Funko does a lot of stuff, so they have this is a lanyard. So that's cool, I like this, and this is that. Okay, you guys, so we got Socko, which is what he used on his hand, just Socko. So that's really funny.
Wait, I'm gonna open it and wear it.
Okay, so next we got this pen, or it's one of those, a pin, that's what it is, a pin. So we got a pin, and then we got a Funko Pop! So this is what it looks like. It is a GameStop exclusive one. So, yep. Looks really neat. So, okay guys, so let's go ahead and get a closer look at this Funko Pop. So I'm gonna go ahead.
And if you didn't know Socko, or not Socko.
But you know?
I don't know his name. But you know, he is a WWE wrestling player.
He used to be. He's not there anymore. So it's really cool how they did, the mask. How they did. Oh!
I get him.
Oopsies.
Socko got through by
This is not Socko.
Not Socko.
Mankind.
I keep calling him Socko.
Okay, so it looks like a really cool Funko.
He got through by Chinud.
Okay. So now it is time for Spider-Gwen's unboxing.
So we got these Disney I think it's mysteries. It's mysteries, a Disney keychain mysteries, and it has two mystery characters. And we have 4 of these, so let's get started opening. So first one we got Max. So the first one we got Max.
Ooh, I want Max.
Yeah, these are all mine.
Oh, they're not.
I'm joking. So Chandler gets Max.
Well, I don't know.
Oh, I think it's my dad's. Of course it's his. I think I know who this is.
Hmm.
I call Dale.
Well, it could be Chip or Dale. That one is
Chip.
Chip.
I call Chip though.
Yeah. I think. So here are the possibilities you can get. We got a Baloo. We got Baloo from the Jungle Book.
I only have one more chance to get who I'm hoping for.
Who are you hoping for?
One of the mysteries. Oh, come on. Wait, what's this?
Okay, so we got Cubby Gummy. We got Max
We got Chip
and Baloo. Or
from Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
Have a nice.
I don't know how to say it.
Have a nice day.
Okay, so from from Mankind, I think it was have a nice day.